how to find cheap properties online in Portugal. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can find cheap properties in real estate and how you can invest or buy a house in Portugal. So as the foreign demand continues to grow in Portugal, even in spite of the COVID-19 pandemic that is sweeping the world, expats buying properties in Portugal mainly focus their search in the Algarve and in the Lisbon area. While golden visas, previous tax incentives, and a great safety record have been key when it comes to attracting foreigners to the country. With prices also changing due to the pandemic, let's have a look at how and where you can find cheap properties in Portugal in 2021. So, where are the cheapest houses in Portugal? The cheapest place to buy property in Portugal in 2021 remains to be the central region in the country. Now guys, this region is extremely popular for having properties that are not very costly and extremely cheap. And unsurprisingly, the areas which are most popular with expat buyers such as Lisbon and the Algarve are the areas with the higher property prices. Using current property prices as reference, the cheapest houses in Portugal in 2021 are found in the areas of Castelo Branco and Guarda, with average prices around 650 euros per meter square compared to an average of 2,252 euros per meter square in the Algarve. Following closely behind are other provinces located in Portugal's interior and central regions such as Porto Alegre, Beja, Santarém, Bragança, and Vila Real. Now, there are other ways through which you can actually find cheap properties as well, but I'm here showing you the most basic ways and the most standard ways. So guys, you can also bargain properties for sale in the Algarve. Now, because of not a lot of demand, buyers are willing to negotiate the prices down to really low rates. Now, it also depends upon how desperate that particular buyer is. Most British buyers who choose to move to Portugal want to take advantage of the laid-back Portuguese lifestyle and the Mediterranean climate. And for this reason, they head to the beautiful beaches of the Algarve. Although the Algarve is quickly becoming one of the most expensive areas to invest in property, it is still much more affordable, and there are buyers willing to bargain a lot of money when you compare it with Costa del Sol in Spain. So for example, for those who want a touch of luxury in Portugal that are buying on a budget, then we have the perfect solution. Portugal is home to several upmarket resorts, and while prices in these areas are a bit steep for expats simply wanting to buy a second home, in Portugal, properties in the surrounding area are a great option. A small apartment in the luxury Quinta da Lago resort will be expensive, but if you head to one of the smaller towns in the surrounding Lul area, 3-bedroom villas and townhouses, for example, are widely available for below 300,000 euros. For those who want a quieter and cheaper option than the Algarve's Golden Triangle, then there are plenty more chances to get a bargain and have an affordable life by the sea. The further west you travel in Portugal's Algarve, then the more bargains you will find. The Silves area has plenty of options looking for a comfortable home close to the coast for a reasonable price, as well as Prato de Luz and Lago. So now we're going to take a look on how to save money on property in Portugal. In general, if you're looking for property for sale or rent in Portugal for cheaper prices, then the best advice is to stay away from tourist hotspots, coastal resorts, and city centers. The real bargain in Portugal are found to be by going inland. Although take note that in the Algarve, this may only mean living a 10-minute drive from the beach. Living a little further from the airport will also help your budget stretch further. And another great way to save money is by buying a property that needs renovation in Portugal. So if you're up for the challenge and keen to take on a renovation project, or if you're happier living somewhere a little less modern, well then you will get more for your money throughout Portugal. Now, will prices drop in Portugal in 2021? Well guys, despite the fact that house prices largely dropped across Europe in 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the process was initially slower in Portugal. However, after a surge in prices in recent years, property prices started to show a downward trend at the end of 2020, and this is expected to continue in 2021. So guys, and now let's take a look at how you can actually hunt down properties in Portugal. So we have this particular website called idealista.pd. So once you come on over here, now from over here you can essentially just type in areas of Portugal which you maybe want to get properties in. So now let's take a look at a famous area. So we are gonna take a look at one place in Lisbon, and I'm gonna search. So once you click on search, if they say that they can't find anything, well, just simply try to generalize your search. So once you generalize your search, after that, choose if you want to buy or rent, while click on search. So right now they are doing some maintenance work. So right now they are not working, but you can obviously just use this website to actually find a lot of very, very nice properties in Portugal and basically hunt them down. Then you also have these options to basically get mortgages from all banks in one place, and also a very nice handy application. So guys, I basically covered everything, and these are all the locations that they offer you properties in on this particular website. So again, you guys have all the information that you need, and honestly you can do this by yourself now. It's not gonna be that hard. Actually, it's gonna be super simple. Again, there are places like the Kea King Lisbon Coast, then we have Palacio National, the Sintra, so many cool places in Portugal that you can actually enjoy your life in. So guys, now there is one more website that you can actually use to find yourself even better properties, and that is idealhomesportugal.com. Now, the reason why I would not recommend this particular website is because the apartments and the flats they have, well, they are pretty expensive, as you guys can see the price from over here as well. But the thing is, you can actually find some really quality listings over here. For example, we have we have all of these. Now, for example, this particular apartment is being sold for 225,000 euros. Now, that is a lot of money, but the thing is, you can actually bargain this price, and you can actually have the buyer come down quite a lot if you were to actually put in the effort and put in some sales tactics, and I'm sure you guys will be able to find quality deals. So guys, this is basically how you can find yourself really cheap, really nice properties, and also really cheap properties if you were to just filter it out from over here with the lowest price to the maximum price that you can afford. Because guys, in times of COVID, when there is just so much going on, people are literally losing everything that they had, every single thing. So for you to go out and do these methods, try out these different applications, try out these different websites, is a really groundbreaking, because not only does it allow you to become a savior for your friends and family, because in these difficult times everybody needs a job, but also it helps you to make a living for yourself and earn some additional money for yourself, so that you guys can also achieve your financial goals, whether that be buying a Lamborghini, whether that be buying your own motorcycle, whether that be helping someone else. It all depends upon you, but my job is to make sure you guys get resources, get ways to monetize your time online, because that is what we want ultimately, and that is our end goal from this channel. So guys, all in all, if you guys face any confusion, you guys know how you guys can reach out to me through the comment section down below, because I respond to all the comments who really want help, and I will guide you till the end, until and unless you guys understand every single thing. So guys, do not hesitate to reach out to me. So guys, this was basically the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and till next time, goodbye.